Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Afshin. I'm a principal software engineer here with MAX7 Integrated. Today I would like to talk to you about our latest product in powerline communication. MAX7 G3-PLC Sniffer is a lightweight handheld test equipment that can support Senelec A, FCC, FCC high and Array bands. It's capable of capturing and logging all different packets in a G3-PLC network. The content of each packet, as well as the channel quality information from any specific address in the network, can be displayed and recorded in a user-friendly Windows application. The same device, powered by a USB power bank, can be moved around by the installer in the field without a PC to monitor the signal quality and each location, as well as the phase that a meter is installed at. Let's go and see the G3-PLC Sniffer in action. The Sniffer is connected to a PC using a standard mini USB cable. The AC plug is connected to the outlet and the Windows application called G3-PLC Sniffer is launched. To select a frequency band, you can just press the button on the Sniffer and it will toggle through different bands. And the red LED blinks a number of times, showing the code for the band. Once for Senelec, twice for FCC, 3 times for Array, and 4 times for FCC high. Now press the Start Capture and the packets are captured, color-coded and displayed on the top window. The main information is shown in the columns of the top window, with more detailed information on the content of the packets displayed in the lower window once a packet's been selected. The capture packets are stored in SQL compact edition format that can be used for offline analysis. Using the decryption key menu, you can add the security key of the network and it will decrypt all received packets, including routing packets. The filter feature uses parametric search string to display a subset of the captured packets. This feature is especially important for site surveys and troubleshooting. For example, you can search for all tone map responses sent to or received from a troubled meter to check the modulation, signal to noise ratio, view subbands, and so on, to monitor the variations in the channel quality for a specific location and within a period. Another example is to search for route discovery packets to or from specific addresses. This will help you find our nodes that have hard time making routes. Another good feature of Sniffer is to show the channel quality for subbands using channel analyzer function. Here, I changed the noise level by turning on a 55 kHz noise source. By pressing the Generate, a graphical report is created describing the channel condition. The top box shows the modulation and LQI distribution of sniffed packets, which represents the actual data communication in the network. The lower box displays the modulation and LQI distribution as recommended by tone map responses. The histogram of the average subbands used in all tone map responses are also shown at the bottom. The right side shows the distribution of type of observed packets with actual packet counts listed in the table below. The Sniffer GUI is also capable of generating topology report. So far, I showed you the important features of the Sniffer powered by G3-PLC Sniffer GUI. Now let's change the gear and see the application of a Sniffer as a standalone tester. It can be used by installers in the field. To demonstrate the Sniffer as a standalone test device, I'm using an auto transmitter firmware on a MAX79356 EV kit. Next, I'm going to walk around and check the signal quality in different locations. The sniffer can be powered with a standard 5-volt power bank and plugged into your desired location. For every received packet, one of the 3 LEDs blink: green for good quality, yellow for medium, and red for bad quality packets. You can also press and hold the button on the sniffer for 1 second, and it shows you the phase difference between transmitter of the packet and the sniffer using color coding of the LEDs. For more information and ordering, please visit us at www.maximintegrated.com and search for G3-PLC Sniffer. Thanks for watching and for your support. Until next video.